Josh, fun time flipping.
Oh, dude, I'm like, wait a minute. I do recognize this guy.
Hey, thanks for checking out the video. We're gonna jump right into it. Going to Lynchburg for me and my son to go see a disc golf tournament. Stopped at a few yard sales, check them out, and met the legend, Kevin, the Commonwealth Picker. Enjoy. Okay. Some fishing poles.
Yeah, just outside.
Mm-hmm. If we see a lot of stuff we like, we'll make a pile. What? Oh, the tree face. Yep, I remember that.
Face hoodie. And then backpack.
Mm-hmm.
This is really cute.
That is cool. Yep, I've got a few of those. He said, I'm just letting everybody know I'm here.
I'm trying to get rid of everything real fast.
I got you.
And you can name your price. If I don't like it, I'll tell you, and I'll name my price. If you don't like it, will you tell me?
There, okay. We'll work out a deal.
Got nails and horseshoes.
Check this. This is cool. Right here, coming.
They got a little thing.
Harmonica.
Look at this belt buckle.
Make us a little pile right there. Oh, you don't need a slingshot, do you?
What? Slingshot.
Maybe I shouldn't have told you about that.
How does it even work?
How does it even work?
Can I get it, Dad? I won't ignite people. Dad, look.
Mm-hmm. Hey, these are cool.
What are
It's little wooden planes you build.
Oh.
Little gliders. Yeah, you can put those over there.
See the signs, or you read about it on Facebook?
No, we saw the signs.
Oh, you did?
We saw the yellow sign, and I was like, hey, let's turn off here.
All right. I'm not going to be able to stand that all day.
He's pretty.
Whoa, look at
Yeah,
that.
these are my backyard monsters, what I call them.
Oh, that's John Deere tractor.
Ooh, that is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
At first I thought that was no, okay. But everything.
That's what you do for everything? Box and Rolling Stone poster. Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm. There's lots of cool stuff on this table.
Jim Beam.
Look at the little cow.
Moo.
Here, put that in the pile. We got people coming, so we gotta find the stuff we like quickly. Mm-hmm. Here, you can put that over there. That's cool, dude. There you go. Thank you, sir. What is it?
What about that one? those, Dad.
Oh, the gourds? Those are cool.
Yeah, I've made these.
Do you?
I grow gourds and loofah sponges.
Oh, nice.
And then I've made quite a few of these things.
Yeah, they look cool.
These are
A
nice.
tiny stick torch. That's a cool little box.
There's another one.
Here, go put that in our pile. Those are cool.
Or whatever you like. I'm trying to get rid of this stuff, I guess.
This is a cool sign too.
What about this knife?
Yeah. What about this sign? Fishing season is now open.
Ooh, that's nice.
And everybody was flocking to get a camper or whatever, and the prices rose. I wonder to get the total mileage. Yeah, I don't use it like I should. You're welcome, peek inside if you like.
Whoa. Those are cool.
I know.
Can I have one? I look.
You put it down somewhere?
2 deer skulls. Man, I want to keep it
Where are you going to put it?
on the wall.
7 grays.
It might be a little too pokey.
Maybe like in the wall.
I know. But you're going to have space where people are walking around. I think we found a little bit of stuff.
A little bit? Ooh, you got a pile, don't you?
Yeah.
What, all this right here?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Lord. Oh, you got all the knives, huh?
Yeah, my brother-in-law, and I was like, I get people to ask me all the time if I find.
Oh my god. Oh, you got the John Deere tractor too.
Oh yeah, that thing's cool. I had the one you hooked to your water hose, and it would crawl across the yard and water your lawn.
Oh wow.
That's
You know, they're probably, I was going to ask maybe 20 for it. And
Okay.
they're a lot more. I mean, when I Googled it and
Yeah.
all right, so if all
Hold
right, so 20, I'd like maybe 10. I don't know. What do you think maybe 50 is fair for everything, or?
Yeah.
You
Yeah. I
think?
think that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I said. There was some good, cool stuff. I love the fishing sign, and
Okay, yeah, that's
my wife
cool.
likes the little moon shelf.
That was my mama. She's
They're pretty.
passed now. But
Well, there you go.
okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I appreciate
Hey,
it.
and your signs worked. I'm telling you.
I know. Thank you for noticing them. It was only like 10:30 last night when we were putting those up. So
Oh, there you go.
it was work.
See what's in here. Anything good, dude? That was a cool bird. We were just riding through it.
Just riding through.
Oh yeah. On our way to Lynchburg, so we were like, man, I saw the sign.
Yep. Well, I told Americans a little bit ago. We had 4 or 5 people come in already about a month ago.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, sale to go. Get rid of.
Right.
Got a little bit of everything, that's for sure.
Yep. Sold the house, and now you're
I'm selling it.
clearing out. There you
Yeah.
go. All those cool trucks. Mm-hmm. Big old monster trucks.
Everything.
Uh-huh. What?
On and off.
What is it?
On and off.
On and off switch. Oh, that's a cool tree. What is it?
I don't know what it is.
What'd you have on your jacket?
Which one is it? The brand? $5.
5 and the jean jacket.
5.
All right.
Look.
Mhm.
The records.
Yep, put them up, please.
Yeah, 'cause a lot of this stuff is new. I remodeled my house inside, and a lot of the stuff I didn't use, and we kept it for years. And I said, no, it's gotta go.
Like, I ain't gonna sit here and hold on to it anymore.
So y'all hit Lynchburg, huh?
Yeah. They're doing a big disc golf tournament. You know, so we like watching it. So
Oh, okay.
going up for a couple days. 8, 9, 10. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You got it?
Dad,
Oh, that's cool.
they got the Undertaker 3.
Uh-huh.
No, I didn't
WrestleMania
say that.
30.
Yeah, that's how much.
That's his other favorite thing. Wrestling. Wrestling.
Oh, yeah.
Josh, fun time
Oh,
flipping.
dude, I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I do recognize this guy.
How you been,
Look
Kevin?
at how you're so much bigger than you used to be.
Yeah.
Look, he don't want one, I guarantee it, but I'm gonna give you a sticker.
Look at that,
There you go,
man.
brother. How are you doing?
I still have my anime.
What are you doing up this
Oh
way?
yeah. come
Disc
on,
golf
flip
tournament up
Really?
here.
Over in Bedford?
Yeah,
You
so
know-
we're going there for the next 2 days.
Nice to
You
meet
too, buddy.
Appreciate
Did
you.
you do good?
Yeah, seriously. Should have come here in the morning
Oh,
because the prices are dirt cheap
are they?
and you can just see it's picked up.
Yeah, we've been putting stuff in our booth,
Mm-hmm.
and that's been moving good for
Okay,
us.
good,
And
good.
I need to check out some other ways of selling stuff.
I guarantee. What's your channel name?
Fun time flipping.
Fun Time Flipping. Okay.
Yeah,
It
buddy.
didn't used to be that.
No, flips finds fun. You
There
sent me
was,
when I hit my
there
first 1K.
Yeah, I
Thank you so
remember.
much. I still have all that.
Y'all go check it out. I'm recording right now, so go check it out.
No, and thank you, Kevin, for always being the best positive
Appreciate you, man.
reseller in the world,
All
buddy.
right, good luck today.
Take care,
Good
man.
luck at disc golf.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
That's a sticker.
Look at these little dragon cheerleaders. What we need, dude?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Perfection.
Bruh,
Whoa, what is that?
Teen Titans
Hey,
Go.
how does it work?
It's a DVD.
Oh.
So if you don't have internet, pop the DVD in
Yeah,
and you
we're
can
getting
watch it. You just said, how does the DVD work?
Dad, I know you're.
There you go. Oh, it does only have one. Are you still gonna get it? Let me see. You sure it wasn't 2?
I'm there, man. I'm not touching that.
Is it?
Yeah. See? 2 autographs.
Nice.
Dad, this is cool.
It is cool. I don't think it's
1842.
I don't think it's actually old though. I don't know. It's metal.
How about you look inside? See if it's an actual gun. Or is it just a piece
What do you think?
of trash?
You'd put that in the booth?
Yeah.
How much would you put on it?
It's not real.
No, it's just a piece of art. So how much would you put on it?
Sure.
10 bucks, 15 bucks?
Yeah, 15.
Okay.
to Fat Lake Farm.
In a good way,
Alright.
okay? Hello.
Just a couple things.
I've been eyeing that. That's so cool. I was like, someone better take that. Wow. That's so cool.
Yeah, he
That
likes
is
it.
awesome, dude. And Teen Titans Go, man. This is so good. So good. All right, how about $3 for the whole lot?
You good with that, dude?
Sure.
Here.
Who signed your hat?
Oh,
I think it's an alarm clock.
we're going to disc golf tournament, Foundation Disc Golf.
No way.
They're all around
We
here.
love disc golf here. We have a course in the back.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's
Oh,
open
yeah,
to
yeah,
public
yeah.
if y'all are ever wanting to play. But
Yeah, we'll have to
we
check it
love
out.
disc golf
They're
around
doing
here.
they're doing the big championship this week, so
100%.
we're up here. We're gonna watch it a few
I hope
days.
that's so much fun for you guys.
Hey, you have a good one. Thank you.
too, yeah.
Not bad for $3, huh?
Yeah.
Dude.
Actually, that was like, I would say $3 for that little tub.
Done pretty good today. Especially if Mom couldn't get out to get anything. Put that right there, so we'll move. Dude, what are these like? Oh,
Should I take one up from the front?
nah, maybe that's for the ride back tomorrow. So thanks for watching today's video. Yes, a good little haul on that trip, and we had a lot of fun. And if you want to see that video, there will be a link to that video over there. It's over on our other channel, along with some of the RV work we've been doing, the real vias. Definitely go check that out. Subscribe here, subscribe there if you want to follow along the journey. But we got some more good yard sale footage coming. You'll see me in this shirt because I'm editing today after finishing a yard sale that was legendary. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again very soon. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in the next video.